Oh my God, that thing is half the size of the canoe.
Oh,
That. Oh, he's about to eat it! Oh my God! That's a 1,000-pounder! That is a freaking 4 sharks following you guys.
oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh boy.
Get over there! Get over there! Get over there!
You'll find it. I got the rock. Find it, man. Hey, come on. Come on. Go get me. I'm gonna get it. I still got it. Go get it, man. Watch out. I got it.
You want to grab the rod?
I got it. I got it.
You got it? You hit the
Help Ben! Help
He's right.
Ben!
He's right, bro.
Grab Ben!
Good rock.
Grab.
Good rock.
I got it.
Watch out. Go to the other side. Watch
Get
out.
John!
Shit. Oh, shoot.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Help John!
No, good job.
Holy hell! There's way too much craziness going on.
You just flipped me over.
Ben still got this giant on. John's in the freaking water. Oh my God. There is way too much craziness going on. Fighting the fish, John's still in the water, and oh my goodness. Holy cow. Holy cow.
That's him. No, come on now. Come on. Stay. I got it. Way to hold down the fort, my man.
Oh, there he is! I see him!
That's good. That's good.
He's like, how's that?
Yeah, John! Yeah, baby! We almost found him. Look at this side right